So as you keep different tasks inside of Microsoft Project, you might start to build out some errors in timing. For example, if you were to go around and right click on storyboarding, you don't see any such option to fix out this task. But if I were to right click on the brainstorming concept, you can see that there's a fix in task inspector option. That is because there is some timeline issues with this. So if I were to go around and click right here, then on the left hand side you can see that the inspector pops up, and here it actually displays like what is the error. So here it says task finishes in non-working time right here, and task can start 6 days earlier for better results as well. So over here it gives you the option for what you can do. So here it says move task but keep it manually scheduled. So you can click on this, and what happens is that it manually gets scheduled out right here and it starts before. You can also go around and automatically calculate the dates based on the links, and you can go around and click, and then it fixes out the problems, as you can see right here as I do that. But you may want to go around and then see other tasks as well, and if you want to simply ignore the problem, then you can click on ignore problems for this task right here, and then it won't show up right there, just like this. You can just go around and ignore as well. You can also go around and remove the constraint from tasks right here and do whatever suggestion it actually tells over here on the left side. You can move this out right here, you can move this out and then fix it out according to how you want right here. Similarly for the scriptwriter, you can see that the peak unit is much more higher. You can increase the duration to fit, and then it rearranges out accordingly. So that is how you can go around and fix use the fix in the task inspector option inside of Microsoft Project to fix out different task timing which may be there as you plan out projects. So hope you guys learn something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.